I've been living off this $4 Italian bean stew all week, and honestly, I'm not even tired of it yet. Let me show you how this might be the most comforting budget meal I've made all month. And quick tip, if you ever find yourself with extra tomatoes, don't let them go to waste. Roast them in olive oil, garlic, and herbs, then jar or freeze them. They're incredible stirred into soup like this, or tossed with pasta or on pizza. I cook these from dried beans, which make this even cheaper. But if you're in a hurry, canned beans work perfectly. It's so good. It's better than last week. So creamy. The beans are tender. That tomato gives it that a little bit of brightness. And just the adding of the greens, so good. Definitely mash those beans up and add it to the pot because it gives it such a creaminess. Look at that. Such a rich creaminess. Wow. $4.35 if you use dried beans, just over $5 with canned. That makes 6 huge cozy bowls at about 73 cents to 89 cents per serving. You're saving at least 10 bucks and you get to reheat this all week and it just keeps getting better. You won't regret it. If you're trying to eat really well without spending a fortune, especially with everything being so expensive, hit that subscribe button. I make budget recipes like this every week. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now. If you're loving these budget-friendly meals, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based.